Ready to unleash your Notion genius and share your amazing templates with the world, or at least, your friends? Let's dive straight into how you can easily share your custom-built Notion templates, making collaboration a breeze. First, navigate to the Notion page you've designed as a template. This is the page you want to share. Next, look to the top right corner of your screen and click the Share button. This will open the Sharing Options menu. In the Share menu, find the toggle labeled Share to Web and switch it on. This makes your page publicly accessible. But don't worry, we'll refine the settings. Now, here's the magic step. Below the Share to Web toggle, locate the drop-down menu, click on it, and you'll see a few options. Select Template. This ensures that anyone accessing the page creates a duplicate, preserving your original. Finally, click the Copy Web Link button. This copies a unique URL to your clipboard. Now, simply paste that link into an email, a message, or any communication channel you use with your friends. When they click on the link, they'll be prompted to duplicate your awesome template into their own Notion workspace. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Notion template, fostering collaboration and expanding the reach of your creative workspace designs. Now go forth and share the Notion love.